Hello, Darren Ness with Neat Ness Lawn Care here. 812-669-2065 for your lawn mowing needs. Today I'm going to show you how to, on a Dixie chopper classic, this is actually an industrial classic, I'm going to show you how to change the PTO clutch. So I've got, for this mower, the model number is 5056. So, give me a second here. I've already taken the clutch off, but I'm going to show you roughly. Okay. So here's the clutch. Mine kind of fell apart, so the clutch is mounted up here. You take it out. This is the bolt that's under there. It is a 5/8. See, 5/8. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put the new clutch back up in there. Now look, there's a cotter key right there. And there's a cotter hole right there. And I'm not sure really how I'm going to put this so y'all can see. Can you see right there? No, there's a okay, so you can see a little bit where my finger is. This is the keyhole. Sorry, we've got this stuff blocking. Maybe I can get under here a little better. We're gonna hope for the best. Okay. Now, this piece actually was stuck. So what I found you had to do, take a hammer, and just kind of knock it as you turn it. Make sure you put some WD-40 or something on there. Okay. Clear all of our junk out here. Find our keyhole here. I think I found it. Keyhole. Right here. Get that belt out of the way. Nothing ever goes easy. Think you get it how you want it. Theoretically, it should just go right on up there, but fix on that here a little bit. I'm going to pause you for a minute.